Hello, this is Patrick Mukad. I help people improve their professional life and academic life through English and communication skills training. I firmly believe that, regardless of your technical skills, being able to communicate effectively plays a major role in how successful your career can be. So whether you're learning how to draft a business letter or an email, we will talk about the things that should be included and the mistakes to be avoided. Or if you're preparing for an interview, we will show you how to build your resume and show you how to handle the interview, before the interview, during the interview, and after the interview. And if you have an upcoming presentation to give and just the thought of standing in front of your audience terrifies you, well, we're going to teach you how to structure your presentation and give a remarkable speech. Finally, we will also show you a few tips to help you improve your sales pitch and sell your products and services effectively. So in a nutshell, this training will provide you with insights that are valuable to help you improve your communication at work and in business. So if your goal is to excel in your career, effective communication is critical in demonstrating your leadership skills, because great communicators are great leaders.